Hello, I'm Dr. Paul Lam. Welcome to our online Tai Chi classes. I started my Tai Chi school nearly 40 years ago. Every week, I look forward to the class, and so do our participants. Now, I'm bringing these classes to you. Have a weekly class sets up a wonderful regular routine so that you can empower yourself to better health and wellness. Over the last 20 years, I have traveled around the world training many instructors for my Tai Chi for Health programs. I met so many wonderful instructors. Now, you are going to meet one of them as well. The pandemic led us to discover the power of Zoom. Without any traveling, we can work together. The magic of modern technology works wonders with the ancient arts of Tai Chi beautifully. I'm sure you will enjoy working with Denise. She has trained with me over many years, and she's a wonderful, caring instructor with excellent Tai Chi and teaching skills. Enjoy the class, and if there's anything I can do to make your Tai Chi journey even more enjoyable, please let me know through my workshop team. Please give yourself time to get used to the rhythm and the feel of Tai Chi. Practice regularly, and soon you will enjoy Tai Chi and the many wonderful health benefits.